Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful automation tool called keyword auto commenting by connectsafely.ai that can completely change how you grow on LinkedIn. Right now, thousands of conversations about your expertise are happening every single day, but most people miss them because they simply don't have time to monitor everything manually. Now, as you can see on my screen, this is the dashboard. From here, you just need to connect your LinkedIn account. And once that's done, the most important step is creating your persona. As you can explore here, you can define your profession, your tone, your writing style, and the type of comments you want posted. For example, insightful, conversational, or data driven. Next, on my screen, you will notice the keyword configuration section. This is where you add topics related to your niche, like sales, finance, marketing, consulting, or any industry you want visibility in. These keywords tell the system which conversations you want to appear in. Then you can configure engagement rules. For instance, you can choose whose posts you want to comment on, founders, CEOs, directors, and even filter out irrelevant posts like hiring or updates. Once everything is set, the system monitors LinkedIn 24/7 and automatically posts thoughtful, expert level comments as you. So instead of spending hours scrolling, you are showing up in relevant conversations daily. This means more visibility, more authority, and more inbound leads, all on autopilot. You can start with a 15-day free trial and test it yourself. Trust me, once you see it working, you'll realize how many opportunities you were missing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.